Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SXP. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price on of SXP was rejected by the resistance of a big descending triangle. And this was one of those videos. Now let's move to the live chart. And this is the daily time frame chart, by the way. And this was the downtrend and resistance. Let me show you this triangle first. And this was the descending triangle. Here we had a long-term downtrend and resistance. We got rejection here, rejections here. And here we have a long-term support of this triangle that is approximately at 20 cents. And by the way, we found this support here when it was moving inside this previous massive and huge falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout and after this pump, the price line was rejected by the resistance of the triangle. And since then, it is not able to break out this resistance. Now, once again, it is rejected by this downtrend and resistance, and now recently we have broken down another quite long-term uptrend line support. And now we are switched back to the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that this support was found here on 5th of August 2024. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, a short bounce here, and now we have broken down this support. Therefore, now it can be flipped into a resistance, and now we can expect that the price and may test the support of this bigger triangle. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. I would also like to show you once again this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe, and then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Maker, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 6th of December 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of SXP, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. Now recently you can see that after the rejection by this resistance of this descending triangle, the price line has also broken down this long-term uptrend line support that is coming from the month of August 2024. Now if I place another trend line here at the lowest price of the month of October 2023, then you can see that it was working as support at that time. Even before that, it was working as a resistance and support as well. And again, it worked as a resistance here. And now again, it is acting as a very, very nice support. Therefore, now there is a probability that first we may test the support. But in case of breaking down this support, there can be a probability that we may again test the support of this big descending triangle, approximately at 20 cents. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that on this candlestick, on the current candlestick, recently we have broken down the support. So far, the candlestick is not closed below the support. You can see that we are breaking it down, but it's quite obvious that we are about to have a closing about below this support level, and we are about to drop at this long-term support of 25 cents. By the way, this support we have here at 25 cents very soon. That is, by the way, the lowest price of the month of October 2023. This support was breaking as the lowest price of the month of October 2023. Before that, it was breaking as a resistance here. And now again, it can break as a support. And in case of breaking it down, it can as the long-term support of 20 cents. That is the support of this big descending triangle. But in case of another reversal from this support of 25 cents, the pricing can hit the resistance of the triangle that will be approximately at 42 cents. And before that, we at 40 cents, we have a quite long-term resistance that was recently working as a resistance here, almost as a resistance here. Before that was working as a resistance here, and here it was also breaking as a resistance for almost 4 weeks. And in case of breaking out this big descending triangle, the technical target for the breakout from this triangle will be here. For example, if we will have a breakout from here, that will be approximately at $1.76. Now, if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that target can be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between $4.80 to $5. This was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.